Hi, I'm Tony Nicewinter with APT Manufacturing. We're here at our corporate headquarters in Northwest Ohio. APT is a strategic partner of Fanuc America Education Group, along with being an authorized system integrator for manufacturing. Today, I want to share with you our newest and most advanced CERT system called the CSM. That is Connected to Smart Manufacturing. In this video, you will see a true partnership with Fanuc America using industrial equipment such as Rockwell and Keyence.
Hi, I'm Roger Sanders. I'm here to discuss the many features of our Connected Smart Manufacturing education system. We designed a system that utilizes 4 stations, operates between manufacturing or machining, through coding, marking, laser etching, or serializing. We have an assembly station to actually produce the product and put the items together, to a complete packaging station that finishes the product that could be sold or handed out. Each of our carts are designed to be separated for a classroom teaching environment. Side tables fold down, the cart collapses, fits through a standard doorway. With the self-contained air compressor and power, only one connection to 120 volts is needed to operate each cell. Each cell can be used for individual training. You could have up to 3 students easily at a cell. You could have a PLC programmer, an HMI programmer, and a robot programmer all working to integrate the system together. You can also do mechanical engineering training, machining, manufacturing, if you change the product. CART teaches mechatronics, pneumatics, cylinders, slides, conveyors, VFD motors, RFID, and sensors. Each of our carts utilizes an onboard PLC, HMI, smart sensor technology, pneumatic valves, built-in air compressor for self-contained operation, safety PLC, variable frequency drives, and connection for programming. For flexibility in the future, each robot is equipped with IR vision, which can be used for inspection, guidance, sorting. They also have utilized a dual end-of-arm tool with vacuum and mechanical gripping for changing processes, changing sequences, changing products. Each workstation utilizes sensors to know where everything is at, to track, just like an industrial automation system would use.
So one of the unique features about the CSM cell is that it is a fenceless system. So what the fenceless system is we have a Keyence area scanner down here. You'll see them located underneath every one of these machines. What the area scanner does, it is actually, as people approach, it detects them. And in a warning zone, the robot will actually slow down to a safer speed. And then if they continue to approach closer, it will stop the robot safely. So our Keyence laser can be used both integrated as an assembly machine like this. It can also be taken into a classroom as a standalone unit and used to teach just lasers. Our laser enclosure has an easy to open front interface. Place it into the laser enclosure and hit the start button, and it will begin engraving the product. The CSM is outfitted with industrial grade components. We utilize Rockwell automation, PLCs, HMIs. This is industrial grade equipment that students will actually see once they get out in the field. We have the Allen Bradley PLCs. We have programmable safety controllers built into our system. We have the IO-Link master blocks. These are the brains of all the sensors. We have designed and built in additional IO capability and capacity both on the robot, the PLC, and the IO-Link. So as the institution wants to add more to this system, they have that functionality. There is so much you can do with the CSM straight through just the operator interface. What we're looking at here is our main operations screen. We try and put as much enhanced diagnostics on the system as we can. The 3D graphics, you'll see all these buttons, the red, yellow, greens, indicating all the sensor statuses. We have manual functions for the actual pneumatic motions in the system, the VFD controls, all straight from the operations screen. If we go into the system screens, we have more functionality. So we have built-in security levels on the layer as well you can take advantage of. We have IO-Link technology. IO-Link technology is huge. Again, statuses of every single device that is on that system. We can turn on and off the IO-Link upload. On our robot screen, we have all the different digital inputs, outputs, the user inputs, user outputs, We have all the manual functions, so the PLC and HMI can actually control the robot. We also have our current faults on our system present. We go to a production screen, so we have production data built into the system. This is big because now all of a sudden you can take this production data and do some business analytics on it. If we go into our recipe management screen, we have all the different recipes that the system can run. So another one of the great features of the CSM is that the fact that we are designed around a wireless system. We could actually split these machines up. The PLCs, the HMIs, everything are talking together and integrated seamlessly over wireless technology. This is industry standard wireless. So one of the advantages of having a wireless system is that we can take advantage of the technology to be able to run and remotely control the system via a wireless tablet, a laptop. So in our system here we have a Surface Pro tablet, and we are actually able to remote control the system straight through the tablet. We can do everything on this tablet that we can do from the HMI interface. If we go into our production data, we can actually look at our completed batches and go into our batch scheduling system and do it all right from the Surface Pro tablet.
This system was built to bring your manufacturing institution to the highest level in training and to prepare your students for the industry. This is a FANUC CERT educational portfolio for advanced automation solutions.